Hey everybody, this is going to be a video on how to upgrade the fixture on your Price Pfister Avante valve. So this was originally one of those shower controls with the twist for hot, twist for cold, then pull out to control the pressure. And it had one of those plastic or acrylic kind of crystallized knobs on there that was really ugly. This house was built in 1996 and that was the original fixture. So I searched high and low on the internet for how you can upgrade one of these with no luck, and finally I went to my local plumbing shop and asked them about this retrofit kit, which, looking on the internet, it wasn't really clear whether it would work for this valve and for this process, but I am here to tell you that it does, because I just did it in my other bathroom, and I thought I would share the wealth of knowledge here that was bestowed on me from the guys at the plumbing store. So this is what you're gonna need right here. This is the Price Pfister Retrofit Valve Kit 931930 part number, and then a Serrano trim kit. So apparently this is the only trim that works with this kit. So I'm going to show you how to do the swap. If this is anything like the other one, it's only going to take me a few minutes to do the control portion. So let me pause for a second to get everything unwrapped, and I will be right back. So these are the only pieces out of the two kits that you're going to need for the trim portion, and that's really all I'm going to be showing on this, because the rest is fairly easy and fairly universal. So this was the one that really took a lot of figuring out on how to do. So basically what we're going to do is start by removing this piece right here. And I just had this tub refinished, so I'm really hoping I don't drop anything on it. So you take out that piece right there, put on this brass piece right here. You could replace the that part in the middle with the new piece that comes in the retrofit kit, but the guy at the plumbing store told me that that wasn't necessary, and I have successfully done my other shower without doing it, so I'm not claiming to be a plumbing expert here. So if anybody knows a good reason why you should replace that, please say so in the comments. Alright, so that piece is on now, the retrofit valve. And then this little guy right here, this needs to screw into here. It's really weird, actually, working with your hands while staring through the phone. So okay, so then what we're gonna do is take the trim plate, and the trim plate's gonna go on over everything here, and then this piece right here is going to thread right on here. There we go. Guess I really should have had my wife film me doing this, but okay. Then you you take the handle about like yay and plug it in. And there's a little Allen wrench bottom here, and you tighten that up. So I won't bore you with tightening up the the handle right now, but you know, basically it still twists, and then once the handle's tightened, it'll pull out for your pressure control. So there it is. I'll get that all lined up and looking good, but basically if you have that old nasty acrylic crystal handle and an Avante valve and you want to replace it with something at least somewhat more modern looking. I know this isn't the most attractive fixture set, but for us folks that don't want to tear down the wall and replace the valve, which is like I guess $1,500 to $2,000, then you could pretty much get this done yourself for probably around $100. I think you could get the trim kit on Amazon for around $55 and the valve or the retrofit kit for around $15. I went to my local store and got the full shower kit, so it was a little bit more, but I would recommend supporting your local plumbing shop because that made a world of difference in my understanding of this project. So hope you enjoyed the video, hope this helps, and have fun.